Good morning, students. Today we will start once again the third level from the line that you see on the screen. I am going to recapitulate the same. Please try to understand. The narrator told about his experience to his friend that there are three levels. Though the railroads, the presidents of the railroads believe that there are two levels only, but the narrator had experienced it. That's why he told his psychiatrist friend about the third level. But the friend didn't believe this. Rather, he explained the narrator's statement regarding the third level, that it was his dream only. He had always the wish to run away from a world which is full of worries, war. And as it was his wish, so one day his wish was only fulfilled in his dream. His friend said so. But the narrator didn't agree. So how he reached the third level, he explains to the reader how he reached the third level. So he says, once he turned into the Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue, went down to the first level, then he walked down another flight to the second level. Then he entered an arched doorway. When he walked along, he could find there are many routes, sub-routes. So he walked on, he found one tunnel. Then he entered the tunnel. He found a different situation there. So the roads had begun angling, left, right, all these. So after walking some distance, he came out. He went down a short flight of stairs and came out on the third level. So this way the narrator reached the third level. I am going to explain you through diagrams. Please try to understand it. To make your understanding clear, I want to explain it through diagrams. You will try to understand the same. So students, you see, just as you walk on the road, this is first level. You must have seen underground metros. So the narrator came down that way to the second level, just as you go to the underground metros. So about this first level and second level, everybody knows. The presidents of different railroads, they also accept it. There are two levels. But nobody knows about the third level, which the narrator had reached. So this is the second level. Narrator started walking, second level. He came down to from the first level to second level. He started walking. He found one arched doorway. Then he entered this doorway. He started walking along this road. When he started walking, he found there are different sub-routes. Okay? And he explains that if you go through, means he imagines that if you go through, you can, this road takes you to Times Square, this road takes you to some other place. So he imagines that these roads are perhaps, tunnels are perhaps to some other places in USA. Narrator imagines it. So he started walking. He came through this tunnel. He found one tunnel. He entered the tunnel and came through this tunnel. When he came through this tunnel, after walking some certain distance, he came down different steps, some steps. Okay. When he came down some certain steps, after some time, he reached the third level. This is the third level which the narrator wants to talk about. Just as you know about Alice in Wonderland, how she entered the Wonderland, the same way just imagine from first level we come down to the metro to take the metro, second level, it's all right, but nobody knows about the third level. This might be a secret doorway, archway. The narrator entered here. He started walking certain distance. He found a tunnel. He entered here and he came down the steps. He reached the third level. And here he finds different strange things. Whatever he saw, those were strange things. Means this is just like going to some years back. Means he finds the buildings, the shops, the offices which existed before 100 years or 200 years. That he wants to explain. That he reached such world. There is such world where the things of 200 years or 100 years back exist. He wants to tell these things. Means he reached a different world. So when he goes back to his own world, okay, he finds his friend there, the psychiatrist friend. He explains him about this world which he had experienced. What he had experienced? He had seen here the offices, the buildings, all those things belonged to 100 years back. That existed 100 years back. Those things were present there and the people were also there. They were talking in different language. They were using the notes which were being used 100 or 200 years back. So all these things he found there. He was surprised. So he tells about his experience to his psychiatrist friend when he comes back. But his friend does not believe him. So up to this, now we will start.